I will make this. So we will make a app that uses buttons to to open a website. So first we will use import web browser as WB. So now we use from tkinter import absolutely everything. Yes, it's absolutely everything. Thi- just joking, we'll import ttk. So now we'll write app is equal to ttk dot tk. So now I am so here we'll write the script. First, hashtags are for comments. We'll write the functions needed now. Use write them at the very top so that you don't like it, because there's there's a subtle rule. Well, and to completely avoid it, you can just shove them all at the top after after your imports. Now we'll write def. Def means defining the function. So def open. So here we'll type this. Now we'll type. See, Python uses indentation, not braces. If you use future import braces, it will guarantee never work. It will throw a error saying a syntax error saying not a chance. Yes, you cannot do that. So now we'll type ne dot get. We'll make an entry called e and x equals. So we'll use wb dot open. wb dot open x. Now we'll make the entry itself. So we'll type e equals tdk dot entry. So now we can write app. Now we'll write ttk dot button with the uppercase here. You need uppercase at the first or it won't work. So now we can type this. App text is equal to open, and this also and this command is a special. It sets what will happen when you when the user clicks the button. We'll call the function open. We'll start this function. Okay, first let's remove that. Command is equal to open, 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 open. So now we can type app dot main loop. But we're doing a serious mistake. You need to pack these two. Here we don't need to reference this, so I can just write dot pack in front of it. But the entry is a variable, so you need to make it in another line. Now it will work. As you can see, tkinter.tk has no attribute dk. And that's a big problem. So, what happens is we are not importing tkinter itself. We have to import tkinter too for it to work. But still the error. So, what is the problem? Let's see. You can see here TTK has does not have its own as TK, so we'll type TK just. Now it will work. So let's type google.com and open, and it will open google.com. This HTTPS, most modern browsers will do this right now. Bye.